Today, on this episode, I'm going to teach you how to connect treble clef and bass clef together so you can read both clefs. Let's get this video started. So here's the bass clef marking. I have that on top, and I have 4 notes written. I have A, C, E, and G. And then underneath I have the treble clef marking, and I have A, C, E, and G. And we're just going to pretend that we're in 4/4 time. And we'll make our measure markings like that. Okay, so here's how treble clef and bass clef relate to each other. Hopefully this helps you to understand how to read bass clef a little bit better, because bass clef, I think, is something that a lot of people have trouble with. It's just not common. Most of us play in treble clef. So, in bass clef, the note that's in the bottom space is an A. Now, if we look how that relates to treble clef, you're going to see that treble clef is 1 whole space higher. So there's the same A. So to go from bass clef to treble clef, I need to go up 1 space. And you can see this note is in the 2nd space in the treble clef. And that's the same, A. In bass clef, this would be a C, and if I go up 1 whole space up to this 3rd space, then down here that would be my C in treble clef. This is E in bass clef, the 3rd space, 1, 2, 3. And if I go up 1 space to the treble clef, now that's an E. So E there and E there. The 4th space, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I've got a G in the bass clef. If I go up to the space above that top line, down here in the treble clef, that's my G. So basically, when you go from bass clef to treble clef, you're going up 1 space, and that is the same note in treble clef. A, go up a space, it's A. C, go up a space, it's C. E, go up a space, it's E. G, go up a space, it's G. Works the same way with the lines. So now if we do the lines, it works exactly the same way. G in the bass clef, I would go up a line. There's G in the treble clef. B in the bass clef, I go up a line. And there's B in the treble clef. D in the bass clef, and there's my D in the treble clef. There's my F in the bass clef. In the treble clef, I go up a line, and it's F. A in the bass clef, I go up a line. I have to go to the ledger lines. That's why there's the line through it, and I get my A. So I'm going up a line to get that note in the treble clef. Hey, thanks for watching this video today about how treble clef and bass clef relate to each other. If you like this video today, make sure you hit the like button below. Leave some comments. Let us know how much you liked it and what you liked about it. Or if there's something you want us to change. Down below in the comments section, feel free to also put ideas, things you'd like us to include in future episodes, and we'll try to get to those. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. That way you'll know when future videos are coming out. Thanks for watching.